All right, another story connected to our unit. So this one is historical fiction because it's telling me about these characters that aren't real but set in a real time in the past. So after you read it, you'll circle 3 words with that final l or sound that we talked about. Remember, it can be spelled in different ways. So just listen for that l. And remember, the words I talked about had 2 syllables. So it shouldn't just be like it ends in an L, like still, because that's an still. That's not an sound. So think about like shooter or schoolmaster, local, words like that. Then just some comprehension questions to make sure you're understanding. And then how is Phineas's school different from yours? Lots of ways it is different from yours because last time I checked, I don't speak in Latin and yeah, just I bet you can think of lots of differences. So let me know if you need any help, you have any questions. Just keep in mind that we are like it's during the American Revolution, so that can give you some context for why things might be happening or what's going on in the story. All right, good luck.